Zeljanica. A side dish from Bosnia and Herzegovina. Serves 4. You will need 9 ingredients. Step 1. Wash the spinach and boil it until it's soft and drain. Step 2. Mix the spinach with cream, cottage cheese, eggs, cooking oil, corn flour and salt. Step 3. Create a sausage-like pastry, filled with the spinach mixture. Step 4. Before completely baking this pastry, take it out of the oven, cut it in pieces and pour melted butter over it with a bit of hot water. Step 5. Return it to the oven and bake until lightly golden brown. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.